questions grow. Most things out of control. Trying to keep the flow, wonder which way I blow. Hopefully the dough. Trying to stop me, now I'ma stay, no I'ma go. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. You're sure to lose a couple in the batch to hawk snatch. Detached from your ego, it's a fact. No perfect outputs, take what you got while it's here like fair catch. Cut the grass, you'll see the snakes. Grateful I'm surrounded by real, none fake. None drop a little shake. My circle's strong, it's a well-rounded shape.